Hello, welcome again to Bright Brain City Grass. Today we are having a simple radical challenge which say root into x to the root of x into to the root of x equals 36x. Then the question now says x is equals to what? So we are looking for the value of x. I actually see this question might look somehow tough, but I will assure you that it looks somehow easy if you can uh, resolve, if you can use a simple logic solving this. So if you are new to this channel, you can do it well by clicking on the subscription button and hitting up the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release wonderful calculations on mathematics, because in this channel I solve problems of maths such as algebra, Olympiad mathematics, and calculus. So let's see how we can dissolve this simple equation or this simple radical problem. Let's forget. Okay, having this, what are we going to do? The first thing we are going to resolve in our mind is when actually solving this, we are going to start with the least number, then to the end of this one. So in other words, we are starting with this, followed by this, then this one will be the last. And as you can see, at the right hand side we are having x, and at the left hand side we are also what? We are also having x. And so how we're going to resolve the value of x? So we are simply going to say solution. Okay, having this like what I said earlier, we are going to start solving the problem from inside to outside. In other words, I'm going to have a root of x, root of x times, okay, let me make it a dot, times x to the power of 4. If you are writing this, we can say 1 all over 2 is equal to 36. Okay, this is now quite easy because if you are saying x to the power of 2 x to the power of 1 all over 2 is also equals to root of what? Of x. So this is the reason why I am putting this, and at this dot we're having this dot represents a multiplication sign. Rewriting this again, we can say root of x open bracket x dot x to the power of 1 all over 2 to the power of what? 1 all over 2, because as you can see this root is affecting these two. That's why I'm putting open bracket close bracket to the power of 1 all over 2 equals to 36x. Okay, having this, what are we simply going to do? We are simply going to break in, putting in this 1 all over 2 into it. Doing that, we can say a root of x open bracket x to the power of 1 all over 2 dot x to the power of 1 all over 4, we are closing the bracket, equals 36. Okay, having all this, we can simply rewrite the whole of this again. The whole of this again to be x dot open bracket x to the power of 1 all over 2 dot x to the power of 1 all over 4 to the power of, we are having 4 here, 1 all over 4 to the power of 1 all over 2 equal 36x. Okay, putting in the value, we can now rewrite x to the power of 1 all over 2 dot x to the power of 1 all over 4 dot x to the power of 1 all over 8 is equals to 36x. Okay, like what I said earlier, we say we are using these dots to represent the multiplication sign, and as you can see, we are having the base of x and the base of x and the base of x. The base of x is common, so we can pick this to be 1 using the principle. Doing that, we can say x to the power of 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 8 equals to 36 what? X. Okay, having the whole of this, looking for what are we going to look for when having this? We are going to simply look for the LCM. And looking for the LCM is 8. So the lowest common multiple, when we have our LCM actually represents lowest common what? Multiple. In other words, the lowest common multiple of 2, 4, and 8 is what? Is 8. So doing that, so you are saying x to the power of so looking for the LCM, 8 divided is going to give us 4, so we are going to have 4 plus 2 plus 1 all over 8 is equals to 36 what? X. Okay, adding this and this together is going to give us 4 plus 2 is going to give us 6, and 6 plus 1 is going to give us 7. So we can say x to the power of 7 all over 8 is equals to 36x. Okay, having all this, what are we simply going to do? The next step we are going to do, we are seeing x at the left hand side of the equation, and we are seeing x at the right hand side of the equation. So making 36 to stand on its own, we can simply divide both sides by x. By doing that, we are going to have x to the power of 7 all over 8 all over x equals to 36x all over x. We can see that x can cancel out x. So we are having this and we are having this. Writing this in form of indices, we can say x to the power of 7 all over 8 times x to the power of minus 1 is equals to 36. It remains the same, nothing changes. Okay, having this and this are common, we can kind of pick again x to be 1, then using the principle of indices, so we are going to have x to the power of 7 all over 8 minus 1 equal 36. Doing this, we can have x to the power of 7 minus 8 all over 8 equal 36. Okay. Then after that, then we can say x to the power of minus 1 all over 8 is equals to our 36. Okay, I remember we said we are looking for the value of x. Okay, since we're not having x to the power of minus 1 all over 8 equal 36, I remember we are saying x is equals to what? So we are looking for the value of x. Now we are having a challenge. So what is this challenge? This challenge is that we are having a negative sign here. So how are we going to remove the negative sign? We can remove the negative sign by writing this one down. So we can simply write this to be 1 all over x to the power of 1 all over 8 equals to 36. Okay, having this, we are looking for x. We can simply put this down, then put this up. Having that, we can say, we can write this to be x to the power of 1 all over 8 is equals to 1 all over 36 by changing it. We change the equation by putting this at the up, then putting this at the down. So this is what we got. So we are having x to the power of 1 all over 8 equals to 1 all over 36. So what are we going to do having this? The simple thing we can simply do, we can multiply both sides or to the power of 8. So having this, we can say x to the power of 1 all over 8 to the power of 8 is equals to, open brackets, 1 all over 36 to the power of what? Of 8. So putting in this, we can say x to the power of 8 all over 8 is equals to 1 to the power of 8 all over 36 to the power of what? Of 8. So this and this can go up. So our x is equals to, and 1 to the power of 8 is going to give us 1 all over 36 to the power of what? Of 8. So this is the final answer for x. So x is equals to 1 all over 36 to the power of 8. So if you can do this by doing a favor for me, punching this in a calculator and dropping that on the comment section below, I figure will love you for that, because 1 all over s to the power of 8 is a very large number. So writing it here will seem somehow complex. So but if you can do that for me, you can drop that on the comment section below. Remember, in this channel we solve problems on maths, and in case if you have not subscribed, you can do well to hit on the subscription button and the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release videos on mathematics. Remember, we love you, and the people of Bright City Grass loves you. We all love you, and we all love to see you in our next video. God bless you, and Jesus loves you. Like what I said earlier, if you can do that for me by saying 1 all over 36 to the power of 8, if you can do that on your calculator, you can drop that on the comment section below. Thank you very much, and God bless you.